So this is Agogo by Jolin Lab, and as you can see it have 8 input, 8 CV input and 8 output. So basically you can have your audio source. In my case this is a sine wave from my Quadra 2 VCO from DOFA, and I can have 8 different output, and they act a little bit differently one from the other. Let's start with the output one. So I get my input and my output, and now I need some CV, and I'm using the A143 from DOFA. So you have your input and your output, which is directly connected to my mixer, and now I can use a CV source to open the first output and the first low pass gate. And I'm raising the fader on my mixer. It's a pretty simple sine wave with an envelope, and as you can see, all the lights are lighting up from each individual output. So it tells me that it have a CV input. This CV input is opening all the CV. So it's telling me that this CV input is opening all the low pass gate. So if I use another channel of my mixer, I can connect it like here, and we can raise the other fader, and as you can hear, the signal is distorted. Why? Because Agogo is also summing all this output together. So with one source we can have multiple outputs with one CV, and we can have also distorted sound. This is only the last low pass gate, and this is only the first low pass gate. The first one is just to use another envelope for the second low pass gate. So I'm using another EG from DOFA, put it like here, and as you can see, the two networks are opening at different times, since all my envelopes from DOFA are temporized one by the other. Or we can also use another signal, maybe from a clock, a fast clock from the horologic solo, like here. Maybe we can use a lower sine wave, as a base, and maybe pan the output, one on the left and one on the right, so we can process things in stereo.